PyCore system initializing, loading mathematical constants. Constant detected, Pi value type, irrational status, calculating. Launching app mixed with music. 3.14159, initializing sequence / PyCore online 26535, calculating infinite constant stream 89793, data cluster stabilizing in memory 23846, numeric pattern detected / no end found 26433, processing circle protocol 83279, loop engaged / recursion active 50288, decimal expansion continuing 41971, signal locked to irrational source 69399, compression impossible / value persists 37510, system reports endless precision 58209, uploading digits to archive 74944, memory buffer expanding 59230, algorithm cannot terminate 78164, non-repeating structure confirmed 06286, zero insertion acknowledged 20899, mathematical anomaly stable 86280, output channel sustained 34825, encryption resembles randomness 34211, predictive model has failed 70679, sequence continues beyond limits 82148, secondary sequence detected / syncing modules 08651, leading 0 anomaly processed 32823, pattern scan returning null 06647, redundant structures repeating 09384, signal fluctuation contained 46095, core temperature nominal 50582, recursive depth increasing 23172, parallel computation engaged 53594, data noise indistinguishable from design 08128, null prefix acknowledged 48111, control bitstream aligned 74502, expansion, protocol sustained 84102, infinite loop safeguard failed 70193, estimation engine overflow 85211, precision limit exceeded 05559, zero cluster compression denied 64462, autonomous calculation persists 29489, prediction accuracy degrading 54930, system entering unknown state 38196, sequence transmission continues 44288, incoming data burst detected 10975, signal integrity holding steady 66593, fragmented pattern reconstructed 34461, buffer realignment in progress 28475, numeric stream accelerating 64823, recursive channel reopened 37867, error correction unsuccessful 83165, autonomous systems adapting 27120, cycle repetition confirmed 19091, temporal sync recalibrated 45648, subroutine executing silently 56692, compression algorithm stalled 34603, data entropy increasing 48610, stability threshold maintained 45432, predictive engine recalculating 66482, infinite constant verified 13393, auxiliary cores activated 60726, output bandwidth expanding 02491, leading 0 accepted 41273, transmission persists without end 44288, incoming data burst detected 10975, signal integrity holding steady 66593, fragmented pattern reconstructed 34461, buffer realignment in progress 28475, numeric stream accelerating 64823, recursive channel reopened 37867, error correction unsuccessful 83165, autonomous systems adapting 27120, cycle repetition confirmed 19091, temporal sync recalibrated 45648, subroutine executing silently 56692, Compression algorithm stalled 34603. Data entropy increasing 48610. Stability threshold maintained 45432. Predictive engine recalculating 66482. Infinite constant verified 13393. Auxiliary cores activated 60726. Output bandwidth expanding 02491. Leading 0 accepted 41273. Transmission persists without end. 33057. Data channel reopened 27036. Signal routing adjusted 57595. Pattern density increasing 91953. Core analysis sustained 09218. Leading 0 packet logged 61173. Recursive engine cycling 81932. Stability margins narrowing 61179. Duplicate structures detected 31051. Autonomous parsing active 18548. Computation latency rising 07446. 0 prefixed frame accepted 23799. Encryption pattern uncertain 62749. Stream coherence holding 56735. Processor load balancing 18857. Thermal limits approaching 52724. Secondary cores assisting 89122. Memory lattice expanding 79381. Prediction failure confirmed 83011. Control systems looping 94912. Endless sequence persists. 98336. High-density data spike detected 73362. Signal harmonics unstable 44065. Subchannel interference rising 66430. Redundant loops forming 86021. Core stabilizers engaged 39494. Pattern deviation logged 63952. Autonomous correction failed 24737. Recalculation cycle initiated 19070. Time reference drifting 21798. Synchronization attempt ongoing 60943. Memory sectors reallocating 70277. Repeating anomaly confirmed 05392. Prefixed unit processed 17176. Recursive depth expanding 29317. Predictive matrix collapsing 67523. Infinite constant upheld 84674. Output stream fragmenting 81846. Error containment active 76694. Analytical model rebooting 05132. Transmission persists beyond limit. 00056. 000 packet received 81271. Signal amplification engaged 45263. Data alignment corrected 56082. Recursive channel stabilized 77857. Repetition cluster expanding 71342. Pattern recognition incomplete 75778. Duplicate sequence flagged 96091. Core clock desynchronizing 73637. Autonomous recalibration active 17872. Buffer overflow contained 14684. Numeric stream intact 40901. Control checksum valid 22495. Parallel nodes. Responding 34301. Processing latency reduced 46549. Thermal output normalized 58537. Calculation grid steady 10507. Zero interrupt acknowledged 92279. Prediction engine retrying 68925. Entropy levels rising 89235. Transmission continues endlessly. 42019. New computation cycle initiated 95611. Signal throughput increasing 21290. Data routing optimized 21960. Recursive scan resumed 86403. Pattern density critical 44181. Stability controls engaged 59813. Analytical sweep active 62977. Error margin narrowing 47713. Autonomous correction pending 09960. Zero prefixed anomaly logged 870. Output channel reinforced 72113. Secondary buffer online 49999. Repetition threshold exceeded 98372. Peak precision event detected 97804. Thermal spike contained 99510. Numeric flood sustained 59731. Predictive engine stalled 73281. Control loop tightening 60963. Memory saturation nearing 18590. Transmission continues infinitely. 50244. External data injection detected 59455. Signal modulation shifting 34690. Core processors recalibrating 83026. Pattern lock reestablished 42522. Recursive depth increasing 30825. Subroutine cascade active 33446. Stability matrix holding 85035. Analytical sensors deployed 26193. Stream coherence verified 11881. Compression attempt failed 71010. Zero node handshake received 00313. 000 relay processed 78387. Predictive. Models diverging 52886. Autonomous balancing engaged 58753. Calculation storm intensifying 32083. Parallel threads synchronized 81420. Output regulators online 61717. Feedback loop sustained 76691. Anomaly persistence confirmed 47303. Infinite transmission maintained. 59825. Final data cluster received 34904. Signal nearing termination 0.28755. Recursive loop still active 46873. Pattern continuity preserved 11595. Core systems unwavering 62863. Analytical engine sustained 88235. Error correction exhausted 37875. Stability barely maintained 93751. Transmission integrity fading 95778. Infinite constant unchanged 18577. Secondary stream appended 80532. Auxiliary buffer engaged 17122. Synchronization restored 68066. Signal distortion rising 13001. Control checksum unstable 92787. Prediction systems offline 66111. Redundant loops persisting 95909. Core directive unchanged 21642. Endless sequence verified 01989. Transmission complete / infinity remains. Error. Warning sequence exceeds finite limits compression failed. Conclusion. Sequence has no end. Transmission complete. Infinity remains.